In this video I will tell you that how to hide the taskbar in Windows 10. So taskbar is basically this, where we have like our multiple items here. Okay, so how we can actually hide this? So this is very simple. We will right click on our taskbar and we will tap on taskbar settings here, and now here you can see different type of settings, but we only need one settings, which is this one, which is the automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So we will turn it on and you can see that our taskbar is now gone. Okay, but it is not gone actually, because right now as you can see that we can't see it, but if we move the cursor to the bottom of the screen, okay, it will show us, and when we move the cursor away from, then it will not show us. So that's how to actually hide and unhide the taskbar in Windows 10, and same goes for Windows 11. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.